I'm Sajida Saida. I attended the Aafiyah healing workshop in Pietermaritzburg. I found it very enlightening. Initially, I was a bit skeptical, but as the day progressed yesterday, I started to see things quite differently in terms of the potential of Aafiyah healing for the benefit of people that need it. By the end of the day yesterday, I couldn't wait to come back for the second day of the workshop because I saw the value of it in terms of the work that I do. I am a lecturer and I work with mature students. 99% of them are practicing teachers doing postgraduate studies in social justice education. And the nature of the work that we do and the approach that I use to teaching and learning is a very experiential learning approach. So in teaching about social justice issues such as oppression, racism, sexism, classism, etc., and drawing on students' experiences often triggers very strong emotions and brings to the fore very traumatic experiences that my students have experienced. The large majority of them are black teachers and women, and of course as a result have had very significant experiences of racism and sexism. And the course starts to shed light on that and raise awareness and conscientization around these experiences. And with the result, often they relive the trauma associated with those experiences. My interest in the Aafiyah healing was precisely to find ways of incorporating alternative approaches to the pedagogy that I use to support me in terms of creating a safe space, which I do, but also taking it one step further in terms of helping students when they do experience these strong emotions and traumas. So it's very interesting. I'm thinking of ways now of how to, the techniques that we learned during the 2 days, or the 1.5 days so far, have been really interesting, innovative and creative, and I think they have the potential to be they have the potential to be used in different contexts. What I'm grappling with now is how to use it in a group context, because of course I don't have the space and time to do this individual healing with each of my students. I have large numbers of students, but I'm sure that I could find some ways of bringing this into my work to support the students that do experience strong emotions and feelings of trauma.